Today we are going to be learning English vocabulary words with meanings and sentences. Pat, pat, to touch something gently. She pat the dog on the head. He patted his pet on the back to make him feel relaxed. Snap, snap, to break or separate suddenly or take a photograph. The branch snapped off the tree. She snapped a photo of the beautiful sunset. Stroll, stroll, to walk slowly and enjoyably. He strolled through the park on a sunny day. They strolled along the beach hand in hand. Scrape, scrape, he scraped the ice off his car. She scraped to gather enough money for a gift. Snug, snug, cozy and comfortable. The blanket was snug and warm. He felt snug in his favorite sweater. Spry, spry, energetic and lively. She was spry and active despite her age. He was spry and quick on his feet. Twirl, twirl, to turn or spin around. She twirled around the dance floor. She twirled the wheel around herself. Tidy, tidy, neat and organized. Her room was tidy and clean. He kept his toys tidy. Pace, pace, to walk back and forth. He paced around the room anxiously. She paced herself during the marathon. Nudge, nudge, to push or touch gently. Nudged his friend to wake him up. She nudged her friend to irritate her.